Make a great choice today with the 2025 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, leather trim seats, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.